Hello students, today we will be continuing with the linear equation questions here. So we have a question here. This is the equal to sign, this is the LHS, this is the RHS. So first let's simplify this part. So what I am doing here is, first I am opening this bracket. Outside the bracket negative sign is there, so the inside both the signs means sign of the term. This is one term, this is another term, so the sign of these two terms will change. This is positive, this complete is negative. We are not going to touch the sign in this. So this is positive, this will become negative, minus 3 upon 4, this is negative, so this will become positive, x minus 3 upon 2. And only this bracket terms will be changed, signs will be changed. This will not be affected, so this will be minus x upon 5 upon 6 minus x upon 1 equals to 6 upon 5. Then LCM of the denominator, here 1 I have written so that we understand that we have to find the LCM of these denominators. LCM of 3, 4, 2, 6 and 1 is 12. So to get 12 here in the denominator, we multiply it by 4. So 4 into numerator. Numerator is x minus 2 upon 3 into 4 will be 12 minus this will be again 4 into 3, so 3 3s are 9 plus this numerator will be multiplied by 6 because denominator is 2. 2 into 6 is 12, so numerator also multiplied by 6 minus 6 in the denominator into 2 we have to do to get 12, so numerator will be also multiplied by 2. This is 1 into 12, so numerator also 12. This RHS we are not touching it. So now we multiply. Numerator here it is having two terms. So this is, we have seen distributive property, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, minus 9 plus denominator is 12, 6 into x, 6x, 6 into minus 3 is minus 18, minus this is 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 5, minus 10 upon 12 minus 12x upon 12 equal to 6 upon 5. Now we have made the denominator same. We'll add these rational numbers. So 4x minus 8 minus 9 plus 6. This is 6. This is plus. So this will remain same. This is positive, it will remain positive. This is negative, it will remain negative. Why? Because this is positive sign. Sign of these two will not change. But here it is negative. So this negative sign will change the sign of the terms of the numerator here. So 2x is actually positive, it will become negative. This is negative, it will become positive. And this is minus 12x upon 12 equal to 6 upon 5. Now what we'll do here is bring all the variable terms together. So we have 4x plus 6x minus 2x minus 12x. Sign साथ में लाना है हमको. This is plus 6x minus 2x minus 12x. Then the numbers, remaining numbers, minus 8, minus 9, minus 18, plus 10. And at the same time, 12 here is in the division. On the right hand side, it will multiply. Is this step clear to everyone? So, after taking 12 on the other side, it's multiplied, and these are the like terms I have underlined. So these are the variable terms we will add. These are the constant terms. 4x plus 6x, 10x, minus 2x is 8x, minus 12x is minus 4x. So it is 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Minus 8 minus 9 minus 18 plus 10. So minus 18 plus 10 is minus 8. Then 8 is 16 and this is minus 25. On the other side, 72 upon 5. 6 into 12 is 72. Now this 25 will take to the other side, so minus 4x minus 25 goes to the other side, which will be added. LCM will be 5. So minus 4x equals to 72 upon 5 plus 25 into 5 upon 5. So it is 72 plus 125 upon 5. That is 197 upon 5. This is minus 4x. Now minus 4 will be taken to the other side. It is multiplying, so here it will divide. So x equals to 197 upon 5 into 4. Division mein it will come here. So it will be 197 upon 20. This can be written as, if you write in mixed number, x equals to 9 integer 17 upon 20. And sorry, this is minus sign, so this minus sign will be given here because it is minus 4 brought to this side. So it will be minus 9 integer 17 upon 20. Next equation. Now here we have rational number where this is an expression, this is an expression. So we directly do the cross multiplication. So this denominator we multiply here. 6 into 2x minus 3 bracket 2x plus 3. And here this complete goes out to the other side. Then we multiply this 6 to the terms inside the bracket, but before that we have to multiply this. So this will be 2x. This minus 3 will multiply to the terms inside this round bracket. So it will be minus 6x and this will be minus 9. Here we can just open the bracket. There is no number here. Term 3 was there, we multiplied it by the terms inside the bracket. Here there is nothing, and this is plus sign. If this would have been negative, then we would have changed the sign inside, but this is positive, so no need to change the sign. It will be same. Then we'll multiply this to the terms inside the bracket. 6 into 2x, that is 12x. 6 into 6x is minus 36x, and this will be 54. On this side, 7 into 7x, 49x plus 21, and here plus 28. The variable terms will bring to one side, 12x minus 36x, and this will take to the other side. This will be, or we can do it like this. We'll do the solution on this side first. ये यहाँ ऐड कर देंगे, ये यहाँ पर ऐड कर देंगे, ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट. 12x minus 36, so minus plus is there, so we subtract. 36 minus 12 is 24, and greater number is negative. On this side, 49x plus 28x, so it will be 49 plus 28, 77 x plus 21. Now we can bring 77 here, or we can take 24 to that side, 24x to that side. So we'll take 24 to that side, because if you bring it here, it will be negative. Variable term will become negative. So we are taking 24 to that side. This will be here. Plus 21 brought to the other side, it's minus 21. 77x, and this I am taking to the right side, so it will become minus 24, so it will become plus 24x. So this will be 50 minus 54 minus 21 will be 75, minus 75, and this will be 77 plus 24 will be 90. This is 101. To find the x, just interchanging the positions. This I'm bringing to the LHS and this to the RHS. When we interchange the sides, signs will not change, operation will not change. So x equals to 101 is in the division, on the other side multiplication, on the other side it will divide. So minus 75 upon 101. This sum you have to solve for practice, and it is similar to the first question that we have solved in this video, and you can put the solution in the comment. If there is some needed solution required from my side, you can ask in the comments, so I'll get back to you with the solution. The next one I'll solve here. This denominator goes to the other side and it will multiply. So minus 7p plus 13 equals to 6 into the terms inside the bracket is 6 into 2p is 12p, 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Now the variable term will take to one side. This is plus 12, this is minus 7, so we'll take this to the other side, plus 13. Minus 6 comes to this side, it will be plus 6. 12p minus 7 goes to the other side, it will be plus 7. So this is 19 equals to 19p, therefore p equals to 19 upon 19, therefore p equals to 1. The next equation again rational number form mein hai, so we'll add these rational numbers first, taking the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4, LCM of 2 and 6 is 2 and 3 is 6. So we can take it together. LCM of 4 and 2 is 2, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. This is 4. So on this side 4 is the LCM, so this is x plus 1 upon 4 plus, here we multiply by 2x, so this is x plus 2 upon 4. On this side here this is 2, will multiply it by 3 because the LCM is 6, so 3x minus 3 upon 6 minus 3 is there, so we multiply by 2, so x plus 1 upon 4 plus 2x plus 4 upon 4 equals to, on this side 3x minus 9 upon 6 minus 2x, minus 2 into x is minus 2 into, okay, first let's just multiply this, so it will be 2 upon 6. Now when we add or subtract, then the sign will change. So here I am not changing it because I have kept this separate. Now we'll add this, so x plus 1 plus 2x plus 4 upon 4, these two rational numbers added here, these two will add here, then 3x minus 9 minus 2x, this is minus, this will be minus plus upon 6. यहाँ पे साइन चेंज की हो रही है क्योंकि ये माइनस साइन इसको अफेक्ट करने वाला है. So this is plus, this will become minus, this is minus, this will become plus. Now x plus 2x is 3x plus 1 plus 4 is 5 upon 4 equals to, here 3x minus 2x will be 1x minus 9 plus 2 will be minus 7 upon 6. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. 6 will come here, multiply, 4 will go on the other side and multiply. So 6 into 3x plus 5 equals to 4 into x minus 7. We have done the cross multiplication. 6 3 is 18x plus 6 5 is 30 equals to 4x minus 28. 6 is multiplied to each term inside this bracket, 4 is multiplied to each term inside this bracket. Now variable term will take to one side, the numericals will take to the other side. So 18x, 4x will come here and it will be subtracted. 30 goes to the other side, it will be subtracted. So this is already negative. 30 is going on the other side, it will subtract. 18x minus 4x is 14x equals to, this is minus 28 minus 30 is minus minus, we add 28 plus 30 is 58 and negative. X equals to minus 58 upon 14. We can reduce it here. 7s and 2, 29, so it is minus 29 upon 7. This we can write as a mixed number. Minus 4 integer 1 upon 7. The next equation, there's a slight difference. So first let's solve the bracket, then I'll explain you that. This bracket 2 into 1 upon a plus 2 into 2 upon 1 equals to 5 upon 1 minus 2 upon a. So this will be 2 upon a plus 2 into 2 is 4 upon 1 equals to 5 upon 1 minus 2 upon a. Now if you see, the denominator is variable here. So LCM will be with respect to the variable. LCM is this denominator into this denominator, a into 1 a, here also a into 1 a. So therefore LCM is a. When we find the LCM, what we do is we make the denominator same. Here we have the LCM, so we don't have to multiply here, but here we have to multiply by the LCM. So 2 upon a plus 4 into a upon 1 into a to make the denominator same. Here same thing we have to do, multiply by a. So in this step what we have done, we have found the LCM, that is a, and to make the denominator same we have multiplied the rational number, this rational number by a upon a and this rational number by a upon a, both numerator and denominator by the LCM. So 2a plus 4a upon a equals to 5a upon a minus 2 upon a. Now we can add the rational numbers because denominators are same. To add the rational number only we have done this step to make the denominator same, then only we can add the rational numbers. So 2 plus 4a upon a, denominators are not added, then 5a minus 2 upon a. Now when numbers are there in the denominator, we do the cross multiplication. Here what we'll do is we'll only bring this denominator, this a, to this side. So it will be a into 2 plus 4a upon a equals to 5a minus 2. Now why only this denominator I have brought here? Because it is multiplied and this multiplication division, a divided by a will be cancelled. So it will be 1. So we get a simple equation, 2 plus 4a equals to 5a minus 2. Now it is simple. The variable terms will bring to one side and the constant terms will bring to the other side. So what we'll do is minus 2 will bring here, 2 plus 2, 4 will take to the other side. So 5a minus 4a. 5a minus 4a is a, 2 plus 2 is 4. Therefore a equals to 4. So here in this equation also we have the denominators as variables. So we have to find the LCM of these two denominators, 3x and x. LCM will be 3x. So 4 upon 3x minus, here we have to multiply by 3 to make it 3x. On the other side it is 3x minus 5. So it is 4 upon 3x minus 6 upon 3x. Now we can add these, 4 minus 6. We can directly write 4 minus 6 is minus 2 upon 3x equals to 5 upon 3x minus 5. Now we do the cross multiplication. So minus 2 into 3x minus 5 equals to 5 into 3x. Minus 2 into 3x will be minus 6x. Minus 2 into minus 5 is plus 10, and here it is 15x. So this x will take to the other side. 10 equals to 15 plus 6x. So 10 equals to 21x. Therefore, x equals to 10 upon 21. The other one, minus 1 upon x equals to minus 7 upon 2 plus 2 upon x. Now if you see, this is a variable term, this is a variable term. So here there is no need to find the LCM of these. We can directly bring this to this side or take this minus to that side. So minus 1 upon x, this will come here, minus 2 upon x equals to minus 7 upon 2. Now denominators are same, so we can add them. Directly we will add or subtract them. Minus 1 minus 2 upon x equals to minus 7 upon 2. So this is minus 3 upon x equals to minus 7 upon 2. Now we do the cross multiplication. Minus 3 into 2 equals to minus 7 into x. So this is minus 6 equals to minus 7. Minus 6. Minus 7 is multiplying here, so it will divide here on the other side. Minus minus will get cancelled. Therefore, x equals to 6 upon 7.